You need to watch all this.
Yo, what it do? Lake me once again. Fuel Punks TV. Subscribe and like that, bitch.
Yeah.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
What happened to the turn, bro?
Huh?
I said, what happened to the shuffle?
I don't know, dude. The beers, bro, the beers. I tried to smash it, and then I kind of like, just like, I don't know. Getting a little too faded already.
We out here with the crew, you know what I'm saying? We won wheeling. This is what we do. Tear up the turf. This is the 702 crew. Beep out our videos, Fuel Punks TV. Yeah.
Hell yeah. Last time I was here, I was 18 years old. He's like, it's fun. Yeah.
You just send me that photo and I'll just put it right now.
Hold on. Hell yeah.
Somebody help me. I don't want to fall off the 75-foot drop.
Is it that far?
Drop over there.
Dude, hey, what the fuck are you thinking right now? What the hell?
Oh, thanks, man. Never mind.
Oh, shit. Dip out. shitty. And shitty. Put it in your thing.
We gotta call you guys riding these things through the parking garage. The way that our laws and stuff are wrote, it's kind of a gray area.
Yeah.
But definitely not riding anywhere where there would be vehicles in the parking garage.
Yeah, of course.
For sure. All right.
So we're all right.
I don't have a problem with you guys doing that as long as you're not obstructing traffic or going through the parking garage.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. Be mindful if you're drinking and riding as well. Electric motor is just the same as a gas for that type of stuff. All right.
Yeah.
So let me double check for you guys.
All right.
We're gonna resolve this because I gotta go to something else. All right. Is you good with? Don't ride it in the parking garage. You got that. It's electric. Be mindful if you're drinking and riding it. All right.
Gotta go get my beer.
Honestly, if we would have kept going, we'd have been fine.
If we wouldn't have stopped right here?
Yeah, we'd have been straight.
But we would have gotten stopped by somebody else. Dude, they would have kept going.
Yeah.
Ferrari going 90 and a 45. They don't care about us drinking and riding.
No, I'm good.
No.
What happens when you get a 15-ton charge?
You guys want to hop in?
We gotta go get Robbie. Yeah, he just waited, right? Yeah, his shit died. Good thing you guys were here. Alright. That what's his name? Zach? Robbie? Oh, Zach. Or Alex. It's Alex. I'm glad you're here. Sit him down. Scoot in here, big boy. Go on the roof.
We do that.
I brought my head plenty of times. Oh.